Next, we need to add our lifters into our design. We'll go once again under our Mold Assembly tab and select our lifter itself. With this, it may ask us for one to select our plastic part, or it may automatically find it. In this case, it has. When working with my lifter itself, I need to select my pull direction. My pull direction can be the outside surface of this cavity. Now I need to select the placement or the base point for this lifter location. In this case, I will select the insert I put in previously. I'm going to change my offset values and my directions itself for this lifter. Minus 7 millimeters, and on my base point, minus 3.75. Also, I'm going to select my Customize and make a change to my overall blade size with an 8 and a 7.5. Also, I've taken the length dimension already. I'm going to make it 95 millimeters and select OK. Inventor will model the lifter into position for me, and I'll apply my second lifter in much the same fashion. Again, with my first lifter inside my design, I will go ahead and add my second. Change my view for better visibility. Choose the side of my base here for a pull direction. I will need to, again, select the insert point or the base point as needed, and then make the simple modifications to the overall design. I'll go ahead and select OK and let again Inventor finish my lifter modeling. Again, with my lifters in place, now I'm going to go through and do another Boolean move. In this case, instead of removing material, I'm going to add material. I'm going to unite my body itself with the insert, and I will join those two together. I will follow this up by doing the same with the other side. Working on the other side, again, we're going to add our geometry together and join it as needed. After it's being completed with inside of Inventor, it's now time to place our lock set. Once again, from our Mold Assembly tab, we're going to go through and choose Lock Set. Once we choose our lock set, we're going to be able to choose our manufacturer. In this case, we're looking for DME. The type of lock set, we're going to use a side lock, and the style. We need to select our base face, a reference face, and change any offset value for that reference face to 0. We're going to make a selection of symmetrical placement and simply hit OK. With our lock pieces applied to our base assembly, we'll now quickly create our workpiece pocket. From our Mold Assembly tab and our Boolean option, we'll choose Workpiece Pocket. From here, we'll see our Workpiece Pocket highlight on the screen in red. We're going to choose Hole Clearance, Chamfer, make it a 5 millimeter chamfer, and simply select OK. It's a little tough to see the workpiece pocket, but it is defined inside of our mold base, and you can always highlight it in your browser to see it a little more clearly. Don't forget to save your assembly, and we'll move on to the summary.